Hey there, magic enthusiasts! Get ready to be whisked away into a world of wonder with the Pets Alive Magic Bunnies by ZURU, the ultimate electronic plush toy that promises an enchanting unboxing experience. With over 20 interactive features and mysteries to discover, this magical toy will captivate kids aged 3 and up as they wave their star wand and watch their bunny's ears light up while casting spells. Each bunny comes with surprise magical mini bunnies, each performing their own unique trick, adding to the excitement and mystery. Will you find the black, pink, or white magic bunny? Collect all 3 to become the ultimate magician and create your very own magic show. No assembly is required, so the fun begins as soon as you open the box. Dive into a world of enchanting lights and sounds, and let your imagination run wild with the Pets Alive Magic Bunnies by ZURU. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.